subscriber you have dialed is not
Not
available.
again, Moha.
Please
Where
try
are you,
again
man?
later.
Just come in, Muhammad. Where were you? Not you again, Kali. What are you doing here? What do you want from my man? Whatever you want to say, you can say it to me. What do you want? You're not even ashamed of yourself. Muhau is mine. I can't just sign in over when. And it's not a chicha out to good up and up. I'll be my dalago. Vanessa will no gara.
Yes, Nelusan. Dalibalis keep us an hour. You got us now before I'm doing us.
Is keeper? Why today of all days?
Amen. Come. Now let's go to the come.
You know what, Bali? Muhau apo no so we are Muhau can act. Come when Muhau is here.
Soon push and
Just
go to
leave.
the Sus.
Papa Bali.
Yeah, but then.
And I'm not dalago siana then. Me and my Muhau alone.
Listen, Lollipop. Sorry for the way we reacted last night. I'm to tell, but not for when, for bullying. What's someone?
It's fine. They understand. But you don't have to worry serious. I mean, utumela umdala uzazibuyela xa sekufuna. Izinto engayithandi ndoba uspend imali apha ulale hotel.
Like awuhlalwa nje. Like everything going to new ngikhupha Santa evil lady. Ngoba so ngitheke ihloka noki PC and obvious anya kona kenze ko badara ko khupela marobalo. Ngoba so
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa. So at least now sisoyithi.
mara ngobisa question.
Anything.
So o tlirela eng her boyfriend yo bo nyakala.
Go ahead, let's sit there.
Why sounds udire so? It's not your fault. Don't tell me idiregile malum. It's not like ona le nto ka idirang gore o fetole ka mpo go bileng ka ona. Can't we just let go of everything? Remove it on.
Hey, mshalo, ngisawahlalela. Ibebeka le day yakho pha. Ngikhuluma nawe thina. Hey, mshilo, yazi nento engibonile la since wenza lento le phakathi kwami nawe la empedini. Kathi ayihluphi nakancane la enhlizweni. Kathi akwenza la akwenzekanga next phakathi kwami nawe. Hey, ngikumalume wakho Shilo, ongumshana wami. Mara wena yonke le ndaba le ngathi yakuthabisa.
Malume, it's not like that. Mara anyways, inhliziyo ayiphakela.
Uyahlanya wena. Yemshana, uyahlanya. Yonke lento senzile manyala man. Namathi ngisafuna ukufonela uSethi ngimtshele ukuthi kwenzakaleni phakathi kwami nawe. Kuzomela ukuthi sigezwe mina nawe. Sikhishwe. Awulethe ifoni.
Ukasidira ntpheu. Malume, go ka dira se wa founela mama ka like they get to know about this. Ufedile like batlore wena u jera advantage ka nna u bapala ka nna. Is that what you want? My point exactly. You think I'm enjoying all of this? To even think that I slept with my own uncle.
Silo. Hayi ngane yami ngiyatolisa ngane yami. Ngoyithathe kanjalo man. Futhi ngiyatolisa ngosicabangela ngingedwa. Sothi yonke lento yenzekile phakathi kwami nawe. Hey, Indlela elangane yami. Ingizusa ubuhlungu ezimina ngisazi nokuthi ngenzeni ngane yami.
Malume, you need to relax. I can offer you a massage. And if you believe you just have to relax.
Hayi ngane yami. Awujaminyana ngibona le nto yakho izosebenza.
You need to trust me, Malume. My mom always does this. Really stressed. And I know you are enjoying it. And it will also make you feel at ease.
Washo ukuthi izosebenza ngane yami.
Yes, Malume.
Okay,
Let's hope that you are enjoying it.
Okay.
Just relax.
Okay.
Yes, Malume.
Okay, ngane. Yenza nawe babe.
Sisithandani. Ziyavocavocana.
Babe.
Into wakhamisa wathi buntu.
Hayi.
Mnandi. Wena,
Don't you dare come close to me when I'm not.
uzokwenzani? Uzokwenzani?
Hayi man baby.
Unyenye baby wena.
Sabote kancane. Yonke le nto ebone la akusingihlelo ucabanga ngayo. Ngisasama kade.
Oh, I see into ngibona ngayo. Yebuntu. Okay. Uzoqala kwiphi? Uzoqala kuleya la day ndanibona nina lapha ebhedini noyithuma. Oh, niya namhlanje massage.
Yeah.
Nyo. Yena nto zoyitsho leyo buntu. Yena nto zoyitsho. Yasinina ndinyanyisa ndishwabanisa wena buntu. After yonke into ndiyenzile for wena.
Already buntu o tlhaloseditse gore nna le ena ga re ratane. What more do you want, Mbali? Everything ke ka ga wena. Hayi man. How?
Yeah.
Wena buntu. Sayizwa ngixelele inyani. Oh.
Hayibo baby.
1.
Baby ngiyabona to.
Oh, phela ka rena motho. This is not a real girl.
Yona mshana kuthi hambe
Ke fake into ke thol.
Ifake kuthi. Hey, wena buntu. Futha. So buntu.
Okay, ehlisa umoya.
Wena buntu.
Ehlisa umoya. Hayi baby.